bird dog. Start with hands right underneath the shoulders, knees right underneath the hips. You are going to take a big inhale in, and as you exhale, you're going to extend out right arm and left leg. Inhale, bring them back down, and then switch sides, left arm to right leg. Focus on a nice slow movement, utilizing the breath, not overextending to make the movement happen. Keeping that core really, really tight. You shouldn't have to shift your weight too much in between repetitions. Try and keep it really, really centered during the movement.